6 years ago, on the same venue, 9 days of vigil. Tears, nagdagayday sa mga aping, sa mga tao, na hingangha at mostly surprised. Why? I have experience na naalkansi. Now, a landscape 360 degrees turn. As we look back with some gloomy recollection, here we are in rejoicing, in jubilation, for God is good. May tubag. For God is good all the time. God is good. Who could have imagined that I will now become BM? Where is Joe Soberano? Is he around? Yesterday, we had an occasion, memorable, with the Vice Mayor and the rest in attendance, bringing a beautiful MRB, not Rama building, but medium-rise building that I conceptualized years ago for Barangay Luriga. And I thank my partner, former late Mayor Edgardo Colina Labella, in bringing it to motion. Pakpakan na to ang akong partner, Edgardo Colina Labella, whose term by now, had he been alive, this is supposed to be before the induction. This is his term. I ascended by operation of law, and I have become a full-fledged mayor last November 19. And Don Hontiveros, the number one, and still the number one, not only ordinarily number one, the super number one, Don Hontiveros became, by operation of law, as the vice mayor. So today, my family, how I wish my parents would have been alive and witnessed ang ilang anak na himong BM na sad. Balik Mayor. BM. Balik Mayor. Din mo gana mabalik kong Mayor. Lagyan mo mamakpak. So I thank all of you. Too many to thank. My wife, Langga, Malu, my daughter, Micheline. Tindog ko ng Micheline, di kay gikan ka sa Manila na ba? Ano mo na ako tinamagwangan. My son, the lawyer, Mikel, and Micheline, by the way, is a Chevening scholar, and I'm very proud. London School of Economics, why bayad scholar. My relatives who came all the way from America, long been, we missed them. Where is George Rama? and the wife, baby, my brother, Jesse, and the wife, Gina. I must mention them, for it took a plane and a travel to come, to lend their physical presence, to see this moment. And this is the moment that God, as it was written, it shall be done. Thomas Jefferson have said, when a man assumes a public trust, he should consider himself a public property. Mga asawa, mga uyab, o pumumaminyo sa inyong mga politikong bana, please, pasayloa mi, kay ulipon mi sa serbisyo mo na usahay, masuko mo, kadili mi makaabot sa balay sa eksaktong oras. Pero ay, sa pasangil, sa mag-iyahay mamig pasangil, bato-bato sa langit, ang maygo ayaw i-apil ang hingtungdan, di nagsulti, di sa inyong atubangan. Earlier, a momentous mass presided no less than my very good friend who presided the baptismal of my son MJ. Can we give them a round of applause? Archbishop Jose Palma, Monsignor Roberto Boy Alisna, Bishop Antonio Ranyola. And earlier, you may have noticed that I have an embrace with the appellate justice. Appellate Justice Jacinto G. Fajardo Jr. Mayor Alvin Garcia over there looking at his son taking the induction ceremony and delivering a message. He's looking beyond when will Raymond will become the mayor. That is always a desire of a father. There is nothing wrong with that. I have a dream, and that dream you decide, TDI, you implement, because I wanted to become a priest before. Nobody will believe. Later I wanted to become a doctor. Nobody will believe. I finished 4 years in Velas. Later, I have become a lawyer. And now, ulipon sa panerbisyo. Nadia tanan, mga konsihalis, kung ako pa nang i-enumerate, mabot na tagdugay kaya. But can you please all stand? Please, my council party mates, without having to think about the election, I need your help. The mayor need all of you. Juya, Mr. Archibald, please all stand and face the people. The people need our unity. And God, Salus Populi is supreme elect. The general welfare is the supreme law. You can take your seat now. Today, many are called. Some have came. Too much time to be devoting it. But there are the diplomatic corps who took their time. Can you please stand? Dumori ka to say, must, shishe, anyong hasiyo, mahayong buntag, Buenos Dias. Ala, lingkod na. Of course, I cannot forget that we have the former Chief PNP with us. The bold, sinner, simple, but been working also for the city government. Pakpakan na to siya. Families of all those who have been inducted, barangay official, will you please all stand? I need your help. Where is Franklin Ong, the ABC president? I need your help. We need your help. You have seen the audiovisual. It's not an easy dream. But we all decide to make it happen. Can we? Will you support me? Will you support the city government? Will you? Can you give yourself a round of applause? You may take your seat now. Total, makita mo sa doon. Gipicturan mo doon. Department heads, please all stand. Department head, assistant department head, all middle management, lower management, headed by the primus inter pares, Susan A., the administrator, Ardusa, pakpak nilang tanan. I likewise, we need also your help. Will you help me? Alihog lang. Take your seat. Today, I have a very good been with me earlier. Where is Sister Kukalyong? Uli na, gusto lang gihapon. There was a lady, si Dame Marikita Salimbangon, Yung, they've been with me. We call it enjoy time, in sad time, and in a challenging time. Pakpaka na to, kanawa man sila. But the one who stayed and who came all the way, and I want him to stand. He had been my friend. I have been a friend. No doubt about it. Yesterday, today, and please be my friend until eternity. And I would like to call no less than the president of Ayala Land, who came all the way, our guest of honor, Bobby D. Ganun ka rin, Bobby. Anyway, hindi ka naman mag-run against me. Some may be oblivious about Ayala, but Mayor Alvin Garcia always remember Ayala. We always remember Ayala. Tomas Usmeña, my mentor, not my enemy, only my political opponent, will remember Ayala. And we have to remember Ayala, Belenbest, as well as SM. For they will continue the dream we had when we were once all member of BOPK, Nestor Archibald, and Juyang, that SRP, we have been told by our mentor that SRP is the future of the city. We will make it happen and turn it over to him as our gift on his mentoring by us before. Some people don't mention enemies. Who to you? You claim to be a Christian leader. you must remember the Ten Commandments. Love thy enemy. Love yourself in all your mind, in all your heart, in all your spirit. Love God.